Okay, so we left off at editing a product, and we got pretty much all the way through editing a product. Let's go back to products and click on products here on the left hand side, and it'll bring us back to all our products. If you'd like to delete a product, you would do that by just underneath the product clicking on delete, as same spot that you would click edit. You don't have to click edit, you can actually just click on the actual product and it'll take you to the same editing page that would if you clicked on edit. But let's go back to products, and let's say we want to add a new product. So we'll come up here to the left side after we've clicked on products. Right underneath the heading for products, we'll see new product button. Click on that and you'll be brought to a similar screen to the editing screen, but this is the beginning of a new product. So enter a title first up here at the top. Next, we can add a description if we'd like. There's no descriptions in the photos right now, but you can add a description if you'd like, so we'll put description. Below that can be a summary of the product, a short summary. That'll show in conjunction with the description. And below that we have details and specs. We aren't going to worry too much about that, but let's just walk through how to do it. So you come down here underneath details and specs and click on add product detail, the button, and then you would scroll over the detail name number 1 here and click it, and it'll allow you to add a title for this details and specs. So we'll just say detail title, and then you would click over here on the right of that area in this next box and add the detail. So add detail here, and then you just click off and it's all set to go. If you want to remove that, you can click the little minus sign here, as well as you can add another product detail. So we'll do detail title 2, click over to the right and add another detail, and then click off of it and you'll see you have the 2 details. Now you can move these as well with just, if you scroll over one of them, you'll see to the left of the title there's a what would you call this, arrows going either which way. So then you just grab that and you can pull it down and move them around in order. So that's the details and specs. Below that we have add image. So you're going to click on add new image. Find your image within your file structure. So we'll just do city profile, just a random image. Click select. Wait for it to upload. It'll show you that it's uploaded, and then it'll show you a little thumbnail of it. You can add multiple images to any product. And if we wanted to get rid of this, we would just click that little minus sign when we scroll over that shows up in the right corner of the image. Now below that we have pricing. If you did not want to have a variation on this, on sizing, then you could just enter the price right here. So we could enter $20. But since we want to have variations on this image, all the different sizes, we're going to come back up to the top and we're going to go over to categories and we're going to select photography suites. And as soon as we select photography suites, it's going to automatically propagate the variations in sizes. So we'll click that, give it a moment to load, and you'll see that when you scroll down to the bottom where that price was, now is all the variations in sizing with their pricing already set in there. This way you don't have to update or change or add the variations to each product. It saves a lot of time and energy. Then we're going to also want to click on the suite that it actually sits under. So let's say this is supposed to be under Grimes Beach Suite. So we'll check mark Grimes Beach Suite as well. So right now we have photography suites checkmarked and Grimes Beach Suite. We always want to check mark photography suites as long as it's going to have those sizing variations. And then we always want to check mark another subcategory. So Grimes Beach and photography suites are selected. Below that we have tags. These would be keywords that are specific to the image, and you're welcome to enter these in if you like. None of the products have them right now, and it's not that critical. Below that is settings, and you can see that it already is checkmark published for us, so as soon as we save product it'll publish it. And below that is the variations, and that's already included because we checkmarked photography suite, so it's automatic. Featured product, don't worry about it because there is nowhere on the site that we have featured product right now. We can always add that in at a different time. And that would basically be when you'd come into the main page, the home page for the shopping cart, it would have the featured products at the top of the screen. But it would take one piece of code for me to make it so that would appear. After we've made sure everything's correct and we're all set to go, check the variations, we're going to come up here to the top right and click Save Product. Next to Save Product, you'll see a drop-down menu that you can select either Continue Editing, go back to the Products Manager, which is the listing of all products, add a new product, edit the next product, or edit the previous product. And this would be the action to take after you click Save Product. So we'll just leave it at New Product for right now, and you'd go and click Save Product. After you click Save Product, the product would be published and up on the site underneath the Grime Speech suite. So that's adding a product. Now let's look at these other ones real quick. We'll go up to Promotions. Click OK. And we can do New Promotions. So you click on New Promotions, and it would be a percentage off. So you would enter a title. So this would be title, percentage off. We could also do amount off, free shipping, buy X, get Y free. So we'll do percentage off, and you could enter a percentage. So 20% off. And then you have your conditions below that. Apply discount to catalog or to an order. So order would be once they're checking out, it would apply this discount. Catalog, it would apply it automatically to each product. And then the products where all or any of these conditions are met. So it's basically Boolean logic, if-then statements. So we're going to apply a discount to catalog right in the screen when you get to a product for all products that have these conditions. So a category that is equal to or contains, so is equal to, let's say, we'll do Rocky Coast. And once you've got that, you can come over here to the right and click Select Enable, and then enter a date range. So we'll enter from 10/15 to 10/30, 2009, and then you would click Save Promotion. And that would create an automatic 20% off discount for all images within the Rocky Coast suite. Kind of a cool deal. A lot of shopping carts don't come included with this, and this really is simple compared to a lot of the coupon that are built in with shopping cart software. So that's Promotion Editor. Next, we'll come over here to the left and click on Customers. And customers are just the people that have ordered something from you on the website, and it'll just list them all with their email, location, orders, and when they join. Next, we have Orders on the left-hand side, and it'll show you just your orders and the transaction ID, PayPal, charged, and it says pending. Now, why does it say pending? That's because we have not updated the order yet. So we'll check mark next to it and come up to the top here and change it from pending to completed and click Update. Click OK. And now we'll see that this has changed from pending to completed. The way I did that is over to the left of the order, check mark next to it, and then come up here to the top and change it from pending to completed in the drop down and click Update. You can also export all these options and also download. So basically that's the shopping cart in a nutshell. Pretty simple to navigate around, and I hope it's simple for you too.